158 it looks like. With my backpack, I'm at 203. That means that this pack with all the food I just added to it from our time in town is 45 pounds. After leaving my parents this morning, I've been climbing all day with my extremely heavy 45-pound pack. All the heavy rains from last night are flowing down the mountain right across my trail. And here we are at the Dragon's Tooth, which is a jagged rock formation there. I thought it was supposed to be springtime, not fall and winter. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, it is hailing right now. It's just hail. This is ridiculous. Here we are, walking on the trail. Oh, other people are walking on the trail too. Hey bud, it's okay. It's all good. Here we are once again at McAfee's Knob. Parents aren't here this time, but had to follow the trail past her again. Gorgeous view, a little cloudy after the storm. It's not that much of a drop off. Everyone seems to be really frightened for me. Here we are at the Tinker Cliffs. Lots of big rocks here. They say Virginia's for lovers, but I think it's for geologists as well. Here's some more of the Tinker Cliffs. Great view, as always. And straight ahead is McAfee's Knob. I don't know if you can see, but at the top was the other lookout that I was at. I apologize for the wind, but another great view. Some sort of a dammed up reservoir. But sometimes the best views are the result of humans here. If only I could zip line down, go for a dip. You can actually hear modern society buzzing above me. And here we are at mile 97 of the Blue Ridge Parkway, which I'll be seeing a lot of over the next few days. The trail crosses it many times. And here, crossing the Blue Ridge Parkway again. So the Blue Ridge Parkway is up there. Here's the trail, and it looks like they've cut down quite a number of trees, all so that the roadway will have this nice view. You know, got to do what we can so the cars have a nice view. Another beautiful day on the Blue Ridge Parkway.